What if memory loss didn't have to be permanent? From Alzheimer's to traumatic brain injuries, millions of people suffer from memory impairments. But now, scientists are working on a radical solution: brain implants that could restore or even enhance memory. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. Researchers at Wake Forest University and the University of Southern California have developed a neuroprosthetic device that mimics the brain's own memory encoding patterns. In clinical trials, this device helped memory loss patients recover up to 37% more recall compared to baseline. Here's how it works. Electrodes are implanted into memory-related regions like the hippocampus, where they record brain signals during learning. The device then stimulates those same regions later to reinforce memory, basically replaying the brain's own language. The military is also investing in this tech through DARPA, which hopes to restore cognitive function in injured soldiers through advanced neural interfaces. While full memory restoration is still years away, early studies show real, measurable improvements in short-term and working memory, which is a huge leap in neurotech. The future of memory repair isn't in pills, but it might be in implants. Would you trust a chip in your brain to help you remember? Comment below, like and subscribe for more mind-blowing biotech innovations.